Welcome back to Truehost Academy. Today we will discuss an essential topic for every entrepreneur: how to create a business email for free. A professional business email helps build trust with your customers and shows that your business is serious and well organized. You might think setting up a business email is complicated or expensive, but it's actually easier than you might think. We'll guide you through the steps to create a business email without spending any money. This will help you look professional and stay connected with your customers. Let's start by understanding email domains. An email domain is the part of your email address after the @ symbol. It shows who you are and what company you represent. For example, in yourname@yourcompanyname.com, yourcompanyname.com is the domain. Having yourcompanyname.com as your email domain is crucial for branding because it makes your emails look professional and trustworthy. It shows that you are serious about your business. When choosing a domain name for your business email, keep these tips in mind. 1. Pick a name that matches your business name or reflects what you do. 2. It should be easy to spell and remember. 3. Consider using .com because it's widely recognized and trusted. 4. Think about how it will look on a business card or in an email signature. Next, let's check if your preferred domain name is available. This is the unique web address where your email will be hosted, like yourbusiness.com. Several online tools can help you check if your desired domain name is available. These tools allow you to search for different variations until you find one that suits your business. If your first choice for a domain name is already taken, don't worry. You can try variations by adding hyphens, abbreviations, or using different domain extensions like .net or .org. After securing your domain name, you'll need a free hosting service to set up your business email. There are several options for free domain hosting services available, such as 000 Web Host and Buy@Host, among others. These services provide the server space and infrastructure needed to manage your business email without cost. Let's weigh the pros and cons of free hosting. Advantages: free hosting saves money, ideal for small businesses starting out. It often includes basic features like email management and customer support. Disadvantages: free hosting may have limitations such as storage space or slower performance compared to paid services. You may also encounter ads or less robust security features. When you start, choose the Essentials package. This plan is usually free and comes with basic features you need for business emails. It's a good starting point without any costs. Now, let's create your email step by step. 1. Sign up on the email provider's website. 2. Click on Create Account or similar. 3. Enter your business name and choose a username. 4. Follow the prompts to set a password and security questions. Your username should reflect your business name or your name. Avoid using personal nicknames or unrelated words. Aim for something professional and easy to remember. Email aliases can help organize your communications better. They act like nicknames for your main email address, directing emails to the same inbox but using different names. Here's how you can benefit from them. Separate emails for different purposes, like sales or support. Or privacy. Use aliases instead of sharing your main email address. Flexibility. Easily manage multiple roles or departments with one inbox. To set up and use aliases effectively: 1. Log into your email provider's settings. 2. Navigate to the aliases or forwarding section. 3. Create a new alias and choose where emails should go. 4. Use these aliases when sharing contact information. Your email signature is like your digital business card. It gives recipients essential information about you or your company. Here's how to create a professional one. 1. Name and title. Clearly state who you are. 2. Contact information. Include your phone number and business address. 3. Company logo. Reinforce your brand identity. 4. Social links. Connect with recipients on social media. 5. Call to action. Invite recipients to visit your website or schedule a call. Use these tools for creating signatures. Email providers. Many offer built-in signature editors, online tools, websites like Ystamp or HubSpot for customizable signatures. Templates. Start with a basic template and customize it to fit your brand. Let's wrap up with some best practices for business email use. Email etiquette tips. Use clear and concise language. Avoid using all caps or excessive punctuation. Respond promptly to emails to maintain professional communication. Security considerations. Regularly update your password, be cautious of phishing emails, and avoid clicking on suspicious links or downloading attachments from unknown sources. As your business grows, consider paid options for more advanced features like increased storage, enhanced security, or integrated productivity tools. Popular paid services include Microsoft 365, which offers comprehensive business email solutions. Creating a business email for free is straightforward if you follow the right steps. Start by choosing a reliable email service provider like Google Workspace or Zoho Mail. Then set up your email address using your business name for a professional touch. Maintaining a professional email presence is crucial for businesses. It helps build trust with customers and partners, ensuring that communication remains professional and secure. Thanks for watching Truehost Academy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.